Over the last week, my administration has taken several precautions to address the challenge posed by the 2009 H1N1 flu virus. In particular, my administration is working aggressively with state and local governments and with partners around the world to prepare for the risk posed by the H1N1 virus. Back in January, in my State of the Union address, I warned of the danger posed by a Supreme Court ruling called Citizens United.
The question that has to be posed, rather, is whether the U.S.
On one side of the spectrum, there are those who make little allowance for the unique challenges posed by terrorism and would almost never put national security over transparency. Even then, some firms that posed a so-called systemic risk were not regulated as strongly as others. They behaved like banks, but chose to be regulated as insurance companies or investment firms or other entities that were under less scrutiny.
I'm just going to also weigh in a little bit as a friend of the United States on that question that was posed to President Obama.
Even then, some firms that posed a systemic risk were not regulated as strongly as others, exploiting loopholes in the system to take on greater risk with less scrutiny. But this new ballistic missile defense program will best address the threat posed by Iran's ongoing ballistic missile defense program. The danger posed by climate change cannot be denied. On their own, the opening of this new solar plant or the installation of new smart meters or the investment in grid modernization will not be enough to meet the challenges posed by our dependence on fossil fuels. Doctors assured people that Ryan White posed no risk to his classmates or his community. But
let me make a general observation about the question before the President.
We discussed the continuing threat posed by Iran's nuclear program. Our military action is in support of an international mandate from the Security Council that specifically focuses on the humanitarian threat posed by Colonel Gaddafi to his people. So this was sort of the way the article was posed.
At this point, highlight the fact that the economic crisis has posed challenges for us.